close to the front door, so if you have, someone just coming over for business, they don't have to go through your house. And we'll make a right over here. Just notice all the hallways are really tall, so it's comfortable if you're a tall person. This is the powder room. It's nice and big if you're having a party. It's got a spot for women or men to sit down and check their shoes. There's a sink behind here. So we've got 3 bedrooms here, the master and 2 kids' bedrooms. Fireplace, built-in television screen. Very high ceiling. I'd guess that's 20 feet or 22 feet. Got a private patio. And the master bath. That's a spa tub. And this is a shower with a rain head and another head on the side, and then a bench to sit on, and it's a steam shower. So you can relax in there. Nice big countertops. You'll notice there's speakers in here. All the major rooms in the house have speakers. And there's a wall control over there, so you can turn on the music or off. And there's a big walk-in closet here with all the built-ins. It's got an extra washer and dryer. If you don't feel like going down to the laundry room, you have your own right here. Or if you want private laundry you don't want to share with the rest of the family, it's right here. That comes with the house.